Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. You have to start by open REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. And firstly, it will ask you if you have new software version. It will ask you right here in this menu to update it. So you can click update here, or you can tap at your earbuds. Then scroll down. In this menu, you can also see this update window. Sorry, we don't need to scroll down. We need to click at the three dots at the right top. And then click at the firmware version, because firmware version is the same as software version. So tap at this line, then click update now. Now, you need to remove your earbuds from your charging case, and also do not use your earbuds. In this window, just wait until this update finish. I'm going to speed up it for you, and then I will show you how to successful update look. Click confirm. Now let's go back. And we can click at the firmware version again to check for updates. And now if you tap at this line and you cannot enter inside, it means that you have the latest software version. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!